what you're reading me, know that you don't want me seen. Wonder if my guess is right. Am I out of your sight? Can we stop the calling? I'm tired of all the talking. Reaching out to me for some company. You play with my emotions, well I don't play no games. I'm tired of always waiting here for you, yeah. You, yeah, you. I'm tired of always chasing after you, yeah. You, yeah, you. I'm tired of always texting after two, yeah, 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 yeah. You don't wanna pick a fight, you just wanna play it nice. That's why you always apologize. Don't you make the same mistake. But I'm tired of everything, all the excuses that you bring. Now I'm done with asking you if we could talk. Can we just talk? Can we stop the calling? I'm tired